In this lecture, we are going to discuss finding minimum and maximum element in the given array using divide and conquer approach. So let us discuss this with an example. So these are the inputs which are there in my array. It is 9, 5, 3, 6, 10, 13, 7 and 12. So before we get into that, we need to know what is divide and conquer approach. We all know, right? Divide and conquer approach is nothing but dividing the element into two halves, and you keep dividing it until you reach the unit instance, right? So this is the smallest subproblem. So n equals to 1 is the smallest subproblem of your divide and conquer approach. For minimum and maximum element finding. Okay. So before starting the problem, we have to number the elements. We have to have the indices for the elements. So let us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So n equals to 8. So what is divide and conquer approach? You have to divide the given input into two halves, right? So for that I need to find the median. So finding median is 0 plus your lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2. So that will give you 3, right? So just divide into two halves, 9, 5, 3, 6, 10, 13, 7, 12. So what is the next step? Again you have to divide this left sub half, then you have to move on to the right sub half. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. And then again you have to find the median. So what is this? The lower bound is 0 and the upper bound is 3. 0 plus 3 divided by 2, it will become 1. So 9, 5, okay, 3, 6. So 0, 1, okay. And again you have to divide this into two halves, yes. So it is 0 plus 1 divided by 2. Lower bound is this one and upper bound is this one. So which will give you 0. So if you do that, it will become 9 and this will become 5. Similarly, you have to do for the the right half of your left sub half. Okay. So this is 2 and this is 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2. It is 5 divided by 2, which will give you 2. Right. So this will become 3 and 6. Now you have to come to the right half. So what is your right half? It is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to find the lower bound and upper bound. Okay, what is your lower bound? It is 5 plus 8 divided by 2. That will give you 6. So 10, 13, 7, 12. So this is 5, 6, this is 7, 8. Now you have to keep dividing this also. If you keep dividing this, that will give you 10, 13. You have to do it in such a way what we did earlier. So lower bound is 5, upper bound is 6. 5 plus 6 divided by 2, that will give you 5. So just divide into 2 half, and this will also 7 and 12. 7 plus 8 divided by 2, which will give you the median. Okay. Now look at this level, the last level. At the last level, we have reached the unit instance of your given problem. So now n equals to 1 at this last level. Got it? We could see the unit instance of your given problem. Now what we have to do is, from this we have to find the min and max. So let us do for this, comparing 9 and 5. What is your min? Min is 5, max is 9. Comparing your 3 and 6. What is min? Min is 3, max is 6. Okay. Now what you have to do? Just compare this and this. Now what is min? Min is 3, max is 9. Now coming to this part, comparing this 10 and 13, min is 10, max is how much? It is 13, right? Comparing 7 and 12, min is 7, max is 12. Now what you have to do? Compare this with this this sub half. So what is min? Comparing this half and this half, min is 7, max is 13. Now you have to, because you have to merge the solution, conquer the solution, right, at the end. That is the strategy or idea behind your divide and conquer approach. Now you have to compare this and this. What is min? Min is how much it is? 3. What is max? Max is 13. So This gives you the final answer. So the min is 3 in the given input array and max is 13. Maximum element is 13 in the given input array. So coming to the time complexity part, okay, what we could see is, so here recursively we are calling this function, right? That will give you, and you're dividing into two subhubs. We all know that will yield what? 2t of n by 2 plus, at every step, I mean here, starting from here, we are comparing we are doing two comparisons, one for min, the other one for max. So that will give you 2. So the recurrence relation for this min and finding min and max is t of n equals to 2t of n by 2 plus 2. If you solve this recurrence relation, that will give you the time complexity of 3n by 2 minus 2. Okay, 3n by 2 minus 2. That is the time complexity of this finding an minimum and maximum element using divide and conquer approach. Thank you for watching this video.